Hello and welcome back to another video. In today's video, you'll learn how to set up MultCloud. I'll also show you how to claim a free 1-year premium subscription and 200 gigabytes of lifetime traffic using an official promo code. No piracy, no illegal methods, just a completely legitimate offer. Make sure to follow each step carefully to claim this free promotion. First, go to the description and click on the sign-up link. With a regular sign-up, you'll receive 5 gigabytes of monthly traffic. Later in the video, I'll show you how to upgrade it for free. For now, enter your email address, create a password, and complete the account registration process. Next, check your inbox for the verification email and confirm your account. For this demonstration, I'll be using a temporary email address, but I strongly recommend using a real email address if you plan to use this platform in the future. Otherwise, you may lose access to your account. Once your account is verified, log in using the email address and password you created earlier. As you can see, we currently have a 7 gigabyte traffic limit. However, we're about to upgrade it to 200 gigabytes for life, along with free premium features. Click the key icon in the top right corner and enter the official promo code. You'll find the promo code in the description below. As you can see, we've successfully upgraded to a premium plan for 1 year. You can now enjoy all the benefits of MultCloud Premium completely free and legally. If you'd like to upgrade an existing account, you can do that as well. This is my existing account, which already has 500 gigabytes of free traffic that I claimed from a previous giveaway. Now I'm going to upgrade this account using the same promo code. As you can see, my traffic limit has increased to 700 gigabytes, and I also have access to premium features. Now let me show you how to add cloud storage. I already have a free Mega cloud storage account. Simply select Mega from the list, enter your email address and password, and then click Add Mega. That's it. It's super simple. I'm also going to add pCloud, which provides 10 gigabytes of free cloud storage. The best part is that you can add as many cloud storage accounts as you want. For example, if you add multiple free pCloud accounts, you can significantly increase your total cloud storage capacity and manage everything from one place. So, what do you think about today's video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.